Hi. Uh, Today I'm going to present a project which is not started by an organization or uh, any company. Basically, what we are trying to highlight here is how a common problem among citizens of India can result in several human beings being connected to each other and voicing their concern about a common frustrating problem, usually which is taken for granted. So, which is the power cuts situation in India. Normally, what happens is we all are used to it because we are in the urban cities where we have options like power backup, inverters, or generators. So, but again, it is a frustrating problem. So let's see how this has started and how we have used new media technologies, the mobile technology and internet. And basically, what I say is the power of the crowd. Everybody who is a citizen of India has done what we are going to see today here. This is a general setting of what we see in the urban scenario. Like we have a scene where we have gone to get a haircut, and we generally compare it. We take it easily and are generally humorous about it. Okay, I'm facing a power cut, but the point here is that okay, we have taken this problem which affects our day-to-day lives very easily, and we are not doing anything about it. The founding story, like I said, it started from the crowd. So if you see the bottom, there is a person who is from Mumbai, Netra. She tweets, "Power cut, Santa Cruz, Mumbai." And Nikhil, who is fortunately sitting with us on the desk, replies that if Delhi NCR started tweeting it regularly, then Delhi would trend on Twitter daily because of the number of power cuts happening in Delhi. Now, Shefali from London, she suggests that maybe we should, collect this information and put it on a map or infographic, which might be able to highlight the need of investments to, say, potential energy utility companies to set up a plant or something. And then I was observing, and since I follow all these people, I say, okay, so where will this be mapped? There was no response, and I am skilled on a free and open source software called Ushahidi. So I just immediately in 15 minutes I set up the Ushahidi site and I say, okay, the map is up, let's start collecting the data. So the inventor of the hashtag is Nikhil, who is sitting in the panel, Power Cut India, and this is how the site was founded, but there was no particular objective then. Next. This is
सर मेरा नाम सुखदेव है।
और कौन गांव कौन जिला से?
नाम कच्चा, जिला बांदा।
जिला बांदा। तो हमें ये बताएं कि आप जिस गांव में हैं, यहाँ पे आप बिजली कितने सालों से आपको मिल रही है?
सर लाइट के आए हुए हो गए करीब 12 साल।
12 साल। और अभी आपको कोई बिजली की दिक्कत होती है?
हाँ, बिजली की दिक्कत हो जाती है, खराब जैसे ट्रांसफार्मर खराब हो गए।
हाँ,
तो फिर ट्रांसफार्मर नहीं आ पाता है बगैर पैसे के।
अभी हाल फिलहाल में कब खराब हुआ था ट्रांसफार्मर?
ट्रांसफार्मर ये 4 महीने पहले खराब हुआ।
4 महीना पहले? तो अभी वो ठीक हुआ कि नहीं अभी तक?
अभी 2 दिन पहले ठीक हुआ।
2 दिन पहले कैसे ठीक हुआ? मतलब आप किसी को जाना पड़ा था या क्या?
इसमें जो है पैसा वसूल के
हाँ
वाला चंदा करके प्रधान द्वारा।
हाँ,
और एक पैसा जब दिया गया वहाँ ट्रांसफार्मर विभाग में, बिजली विभाग में, तब वहाँ ट्रांसफार्मर मिला।
तो बिना ये पैसा किस बात का देता है?
इस पैसा नहीं दिया जाता तो ट्रांसफार्मर नहीं देते।
अच्छा, तो
अब वो पैसा वो नंबर ही नहीं आता, चले न मिलेगा।
तो ये आप लोग चंदा इकट्ठा करना पड़ता तब जाके उसको दिए, तो ला के दिया है। अच्छा, तब ये बताएं कि अब ट्रांसफार्मर उड़ने का भी कारण क्या होता है? मतलब क्यों उड़ जाता है?
ऐसा होता है कनेक्शन लेने वाले जो है जैसे 15 लोग हैं।
हाँ,
और कटिया लगा देते हैं लोग ज्यादा।
हाँ,
तो लोड ज्यादा पड़ गए तो ट्रांसफार्मर खुल जाता है।
अच्छा, तो मतलब इस वजह से भी उड़ता है कि ज्यादा लोग उसमें काटी लगा के फंसा लेते हैं और चलाते हैं।
और दूसरा है कि जब तक आप पैसा खिलाएंगे नहीं
हाँ तब तक नहीं,
तब तक वो देते नहीं है।
4 महीने बीत गए।
अभी कितने देने पड़े थे, कितने पैसे दिए थे?
एक 5,000 रुपये इकट्ठा हुआ था गाँव से।
5,000 रुपये थे।
सभी गाँव
और देने के बाद कितना देरी में दिया?
ये तो फिर ट्रैक्टर की व्यवस्था की गई।
हाँ।
और 5-6 दिन लग गए थे।
तो ट्रैक्टर का खर्चा?
ट्रैक्टर का खर्च उसी में चलने में एडजस्ट हो गया।
एडजस्ट हो गया, अच्छा। मतलब 5,000 आपको अपने खर्च करना पड़े, उसको खिलाना पड़ा कुछ, फिर ट्रैक्टर में है। अच्छा, बिजली से आपको आपके घर में आपको क्या फायदा होता है ये बताएं जरा।
अच्छे तो सर जो है ये बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए उजाला रहती है। बच्चे पढ़ लेते हैं एक आध घंटे। और इसके बाद जो है जैसे ये मच्छर वगैरह काटते हैं, गर्मी लगती है तो पंखा हवा मिल जाती है तो आराम मिलता है।
तो मच्छर में तो बीमारी। अच्छा।
So the slide was like, can you relate to this guy? Because we were talking about the urban scenario earlier, and the point of the video was, can you relate to the problems he was mentioning and how the presence of electricity or the absence of electricity affects his life. So the point is why? So to get the truth. And one of the highlights here is usually in the media you see problems from say Delhi, NCR, Gurgaon and places like that in the mainstream media. But as a result of this site, we have a report from a place in Jammu where a person named Ajay came back after studying from UK, and he was again very disheartened by looking at the situation in his village. And he said, after many years, I thought there would be some improvement, but there was no improvement. So this is a voice, this is an unheard voice, basically what I'm trying to say. The purpose was then defined as, because earlier we started without an objective and we fine-tuned it after observing it for across the months and getting suggestions from the crowd. You know, all the suggestions are here from a lot of people on the internet. So escalating unheard voices, awareness and accountability towards the government, asking them the right questions, identifying problems, and obviously data and accessibility, because there is no such data available where you can actually see the frequency, duration of power cuts happening across India. So these are the possible uses of the data, where it can be used by industrial sectors like investment ideas, energy gaps, and policymakers to compare this data with production of electricity and comparing it with the real scenario on the ground. So these are the methods, though. Here is where technology comes in. People can SMS, use Twitter, smartphone apps, and we also did a pilot with IVR where we were because I had to include the rural audience, so I set up an IVR line and we piloted for a certain period where we got around 300 calls on a day, but right now it's dysfunctional. We'll be launching that soon. And here is the summary of tools that we have, technology that we have used. It runs on Ushahidi platform. So one plan that I have is to connect with the utility companies to get information about planned outages, which can be broadcasted to anybody who wants to subscribe on the site, so that once we have prior information to when the power cut is happening, we can plan accordingly. Your time's up, Ajay. Thanks. These are the contributors, the major being the crowd. Thank you.